and good morning, friends. It's another beautiful day. Let's go ahead and get started. I want you to stand up, and we're going to stand up and do our Days of the Week song. Ready? Let's go.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Monday, get your monkey on, your monkey on, your monkey on. Monday, get your monkey on, your monkey on, your monkey on. Days of the week. Days of the week. Tuesday, get your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on. Roar, roar. Tuesday, get your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on. Roar, 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 roar. Days of the week. Days of the week. Wednesday, get your walrus on, your walrus on, your walrus on. Wednesday, get your walrus on, your walrus on, your walrus on. Days of the week. Days of the week. Thursday, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth. Thursday, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth. Days of the week. Days of the week. Friday, get your fishy on, your fishy on, your fishy on. Friday, get your fishy on, your fishy on, your fishy on. Days of the week. And days of the week. And Saturday is okay to bark like a dog. Saturday is okay to snort like a hog. And Sunday is the one day to chill with your chinchilla. Go ape like a gorilla with the ants and the antilla. It's always such a thriller. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Hello again, friends, and nice job with doing the Days of the Week. Now we need to talk about the name of the month. The name of the month is November. It's November. Everybody say November. November. Good job. It's November. So now we need to find out what today is. Let's talk about the days of the week in order. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Okay. So, yesterday was the Thursday. Today is Friday. Friday. Today is Friday, which means tomorrow is Saturday. Yes, tomorrow will be Saturday. Okay, but today is Friday. So yesterday was the 19th. Today is the 20th. Do we come to school on Saturdays? No, we don't come to school on Saturdays. Do we come to school on Sundays? No, we don't come to school on Sundays. We'll have school again on Monday. We'll have another recording for you on Monday. All right, and then we only have 2 days next week of having class, and then we have a break. All right. Let's see. Now we need to talk about the weather. So I need you to go check a window to see what the weather is doing today. I'm going to count back from 5 because some of my friends might already know. And then you're going to come back and we're going to talk about the weather. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so we're back. Let's see. The weather today. It is, oh, remember, thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Good job. Okay. It is snowing today. No, it's not snowing today. Snowing only happens when it's really cold outside. It's not as cold outside today either, is it? The temperature is a little bit warmer than it was yesterday. It was chilly yesterday. Let's see. It is raining outside today. No, it's not raining outside today. It is a little bit cloudy today. I don't see a cloud in the sky. It's not partly cloudy. It is sunny today. Thumbs up. Good job, friends. It is sunny today. We have had a full week of sun. How lucky are we? Our shape of the week this week is well, no, it wasn't. Our shape of the week last week was the triangle. Yes, it's a triangle. You say it. Triangle. Triangle. So this road sign is a triangle. A slice of pizza that's cut out of a circle pizza is a triangle. This highlighter looks like a triangle, and corn chips are in the shape of a triangle. Our color of the week last week was the color black. Yes, the color black. Good job. Those tires are black. The cat is black. The dog is black. The candle is black. And the guitar is black. Nice job. And this week we switched it up, and our color of the week was orange. So this pumpkin is orange. This flower right here is orange. That fish is orange, and mostly. He is also what other color? White. He has white stripes. He's orange with white stripes. And then oranges are orange. Our shape of the week this week was the oval. You say it. Oval. Good. Oval. It is the oval. That is the shape we had this week. So this is an oval. It's like a squished circle. The mirror is an oval. This football looks like an oval. Eggs look like ovals. And that watermelon flat on the page looks like an oval. Right, friends? Nice job. Okay, we are going to go through the alphabet now. Today, we're going to stomp the alphabet. So I want you to stand up. You're not going to be able to see my whole self. But we're going to stand up and we're going to march the alphabet. So for every letter, we're going to march. Ready? Okay, let's do it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Nice job, friends. Great job getting up and getting moving this morning. So we stomped the alphabet. Now we're going to count. Ready? Start with 1 and we're going to count to 10. Then we'll count back, okay? Start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and now we're going to count back. Are you ready? Okay, get your rockets ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0! Nice job, friends. Okay. Our nursery rhyme for this week, as you know, was Humpty Dumpty, so let's say it together, okay? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. All right, nice job, friends. We have one more. Let's say it one more time. Ready? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men Couldn't put Humpty together again. Nice job, friends. Okay, so I have something special for us today. Seeing as though next week we're going to have Thanksgiving, today we are going to learn some fun facts about turkeys. So get ready. Let's go.
There are lots of great fall decorations out in our neighborhood, and one of the most common ones Squeaks and I see are turkeys. You might know that turkeys are connected with Thanksgiving in the United States and Canada, and people sometimes raise them on their farm. But did you know that there are also wild turkeys? And they're pretty cool birds. There are lots of other fun things to know about turkeys too, from the sounds they make to how they eat to the little flaps of skin on their beaks. You might already know one of the sounds a turkey makes. On the count of 3, let's all try to make that sound. Did you?
So they are getting ready to make a sound that a turkey makes. Do we know the sound a turkey makes? Gobble, gobble, gobble. So get ready. She's going to gobble, gobble, gobble.
2, 3. Gobble, 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 gobble. Did you make a sound like this? Yes, turkeys say something that sounds like gobble, gobble, but not all of them. Only the toms, the male turkeys, make that famous gobbling sound, and they only make it some of the time. Both tom turkeys and female turkeys, called hens, can make other sounds too, like this and this. So if you ever hear a turkey make that gobble gobble sound, you know it's a tom turkey. And I'm going to let you in on another secret about how to tell the toms and hens apart. Look at their poop. Yes, their poop. If a pile of turkey poop looks like a spiral, it came from a hen. If it looks more like the letter J or a question mark, then it came from a tom turkey. One thing that's the same about tom and hen turkeys is what they eat. Adult turkeys munch on things like berries and seeds, and even sometimes small animals like salamanders. But like all birds, turkeys don't have teeth, so they can't chew up their food the way we do. Instead, they have another body part that kind of does the same thing. It's called a gizzard, and it's a really important body part for turkeys and other birds. The gizzard is a small pouch that has a lot of muscle, and if we could see inside of the turkey's body, we could see that the gizzard is right here. A turkey's gizzard is full of tiny stones and pieces of other hard things like gravel. The turkey picks up these hard pieces from the ground and swallows them, and they stay in the gizzard. If a human tried to swallow a stone, it would be dangerous. But for a turkey, the stones in its gizzard act like teeth. When food gets into the gizzard, the muscles of the gizzard squeeze it, mixing the food with the stones inside. This mashes the food up and grinds it into smaller pieces. Then the turkey can use it for energy. The gizzard is just one of the neat body parts that a turkey has. And like the word gizzard, they're also pretty fun to say. Turkeys have 2 special body parts on their head. The flap of skin that hangs over the turkey's beak is called a snood, and the skin around the turkey's neck is called its wattle. Bird experts can tell a lot about how a turkey is feeling by looking at its snood and its wattle. The snood and wattle are normally kind of pink or red in color, but if the turkey's not feeling well, its snood and wattle get lighter in color, and if the turkey is scared, they can even turn blue. Okay, time for one more turkey fact. You might have heard that turkeys are not very smart. Well, that's not true. Turkeys can be just as smart as other animals. They can learn to get along with people and other animals, and they can even learn from each other. So now you know all about Thanksgiving's famous bird, the turkey.
Well, that was awesome to learn. I never knew before that turkeys swallow stones, and that's how they grind up their food. That's awesome. All right, friends. This is the end of our circle time today. I will also post story time and some songs. They'll be the same songs as yesterday so that we can make sure we're getting used to the same songs because the kids like to be able to do the same songs. That's what you all like, so that's what I'm going to do, okay? Well, you all have a super wonderful day. I miss you, I love you, and I'll see you soon. Mwah!